In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in OneNote. We'll be working in the Windows desktop version of OneNote, and I'll show you how to adjust both the display and proofing language. Display language controls the text you see in menus and buttons, while proofing language controls tools like spell check and grammar suggestions. Even if you only need to type and check spelling in a different language, this process covers you. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left and click File. This opens the Backstage view, where you'll find settings for the entire app. At the bottom of that left-hand menu, click Options. A new OneNote Options window will appear. In the Options window, select the Language tab. This is where OneNote manages language preferences across Office features. Focus on the section labeled Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is the list OneNote uses for spell check, dictionaries, and language-aware features when you type. If your desired language is already listed, great. If you don't see it, click Add a Language. You'll get a searchable list. Find the language you want, select it, and add it to the list. After it appears in your authoring languages, click it to highlight it, then choose Set as Preferred. Setting a language as preferred moves it to the top of the list and tells OneNote to use that language first for proofing tools. This is especially helpful if you work in multiple languages but want one to take priority. When you're done, click OK to save your changes. OneNote may not switch over immediately, so go ahead and restart the app. Fully close OneNote. Make sure it's not running in the background, and then open it again. After restarting, your proofing tools should follow the preferred language you selected. If the display language doesn't seem to change in some areas, that can depend on what's installed on your device and your broader Office or Windows language settings. In many cases, installing the appropriate language accessory pack and keeping Windows language settings aligned with your choice ensures the interface matches your expectations. That's it. Open OneNote. Go to File, Options, Language. Add or select your language under Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. Set it as preferred, click OK, and restart OneNote. With these changes, you'll get accurate spell check and cleaner editing in the language you use most. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.